Welcome back. This is MoTech. I'm Noel Mwadende, filmed by Moses. In program number 23, we are going to learn on how to create array, assigning the values to the array and displaying the elements of array by using for loop. So, as shown in figure 41, this is the piece of code which is supposed to be written on our compiler, and this is sample output from the console, how the output should be logged after compiling and running a program. So let us go to compiler or to our compiler and write this program. Control N for creating new file in Dev C++, include IOStream, and then using namespace std. Okay, here int main, our main function, put a curly bracket over here and put a comment, C++ program to create array, assign values and display them by using for loop. So put a comment, create array of size 5. Yeah. Let the name of array be string clubs, string clubs 5. Okay, array of 5 size. Assign values to create the array, to created array. So crabs, we know that array is indexy location, so elements of arrays are stored in the indices. So at the index 0 we store Barcelona football. Crab from Spain. Crabs at the index 1 we store a crab from German called Bayern Munich. Clubs 0, 1, 2 we store crab from France. This crab is called the Paris Saint-Germain PSG, and index of 3 we store a crab named as Liverpool. This is football crab from England, and at the last index we store crab from Spain called Real Madrid. So that's over. We have done array declaration of array called crab of data type string, and we have successfully assigned the elements of this array in the indices. So the next thing we are going to do is print elements of array on screen. We should print them on the screen. So cout, we use cout to print the element. This is the message to the user, telling him that these are the elements. These are the elements of array crabs. These are the element of array crabs. And then end line, yeah, do that. For put bracket around bracket int a is equal to 0 semicolon, then a is less than or 4 is greater than or equals to a semicolon a plus plus, let a increment. Yeah, then we put curly bracket so that we can send this message to the user. Cout crabs. We want to print out all elements of array named crabs. Also, so put like this end line. So almost we are done about lighting the code of our program. Here we need to return 0. Okay. As main function do not return anything. So this is a piece of code, string crabs, crabs 0 0 0 1 2 3 4. Yeah, almost we are done. Let us see from our book how to save this program. We should save it as array.c.p. So compile a program and save it as array.c.p. So as you can see, our program is free of errors and warning. So we needed to compile it so that we can compare the output from our console to the output from our book. Oh yeah, gee, if you see here, you may not see that output shown in figure 42 is similar to the output from our console. So that is the end of a program number 23. Do not miss program number 24, which is the next video. Also, I remind you, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is MoTech, and I'm Noel Mwadende. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.